Ladies and gentlemen, oh my gosh. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we're looking at what we're looking at. You already know Nas, and I'm taking some cells today, 110%. The confluences for the cells, the daily is bearish, the 4 hour is bearish, the 1 hour is also bearish. The 30-minute, I'm looking for any reason to go to sell right now. And right now we tapped into a 30-minute fair value gap. It's currently 9:31 a.m. Market just opened a minute ago. We took out these 30-minute highs, tapped into the 30-minute fair value gap. On ES though, we did not take out these 30-minute highs, nor did we tap into the 30-minute fair value gap. But on NQ, we did both. So with that being said, I want to see displacement with a fair value gap continuation for me to I want to see displacement to the downside on the 1 minute, meaning a fair value gap getting created. I want to see price trade lower, return into that fair value gap, and then retrace out of it. And then that will be my confluences for selling today. On ES, we pretty much got that, and we continued lower. But we did not create new displacement yet. Today we don't have any news until 9 o'clock. President is speaking today, but that doesn't affect us. Let me see. Up here we took out this 5-minute fair value gap, respected it. So I'm trying to see where we can enter off of right now. Also, guys, we took out these 4-hour lows to the downside. So there is possible chance for a retracement or straight up reversal. But the fact that both pairs are hovering in that area means that we're going to go lower 100%. Usually what happens is when one pair takes out liquidity, especially a higher time frame liquidity like the 4-hour, the other pair reverses automatically. But the fact that they're both down here means that we're going to break lower. I have no idea what we're going to target though, because there's no, I guess we have these lows, but that's pretty far. Yeah, guys, waiting to see what we can get into. There's no fair value gap, no order block created yet. But once we do get that, I will show you guys and we will enter a trade. Oh, we took out these 30-minute lows. Both of them. Wow. Definitely going lower, guys. 100%. But I'm looking for any reason to go short right now. Any confluence. 5-minute time frame. 1 minute time frame. We don't have anything. But yeah, guys, I'll be back. I'm not going to have you guys wait with me. I'll come back and I'll show you guys when I'm in a trade, and I'll explain to you guys, of course, why we took that trade. All right, be right back. All right, guys, we are about to take a trade. Boom. I'm in this. Oh my God. I'm in this trade. I'm selling right now because what happened is we tapped into the 1 hour fair value gap on NQ, as you can see. And from that, we got a 1 minute displacement. We got a breakaway gap up here. We got another 1 minute fair value gap down here. Retrace into the 1 minute fair value gap. I put my stop loss above the most protected high, going for a 1-to-2 risk reward ratio trade. And we shall see what price wants to do. It's currently 9:53 a.m. So I waited about 20 minutes for a setup, but I'm not upset about that. Risking about 468 on this trade. But we should be heading to the downside fairly shortly. And I'm going, like I said, I'm going for a 1-to-2 risk reward ratio. Also, this is another confluence that you guys should add. ES, remember I keep telling you guys, ES also did the same thing. So once both pairs are doing the same thing, that's a good sign. It's not a confirmed sign. Why is my light messing up? It's not a confirmed sign that they will always do the same thing. But when they do the same thing, it's a good sign that price might go in that direction. On ES, we had a breakaway gap up here. We had a second fair value gap, just like we did on NQ, respected the fair value gap, broke structure outside of that fair value gap, and created another fair value gap. So we're still pushing to the downside on ES, and we should be doing the same thing on NQ relatively shortly. I hope that it's 9:54 right now, but I hope that the 10 a.m. candle doesn't mess us up. But it shouldn't though. Both pairs are doing the same thing, and yeah, we should be fine. So I'm putting my stop loss here just to make sure. Are we gonna get stopped out? Definitely. Yep. Just got stopped out. I think the 10 o'clock candle is the reason, but it looks like ES is gonna close beneath these 4-hour lows. Huh. NQ might not. If we do get a continuation to the downside, I'll enter on my other account. But as of right now, I don't see one. I gotta wait till 10 o'clock to see. So I will be right back. Bro, look. Bro, look at how the 10 a.m. candle opened up. Why is my light? Anyways, bro, look at this. Look at this. Legit, look at this candle, bro. 10 o'clock candle opened up bearish. Oh, yeah. See what I said, though? Look. ES was already breaking down by the 4-hour lows, and NQ just followed. I knew this was going to happen, but it sucks that we got stopped out so early. But I need a retracement. This is a fat-ass fair value gap, bro. And I definitely need a retracement before I enter. And guys, I'm entering off of my other account that is closer to getting funded. So yeah, I need a retracement first though. And I need a high to be created in this fair value gap. 1 minute fair value gap. It's also, if we can come up here, it won't count as a 5 minute fair value gap. But yeah, I need some sort of retracement, guys. I can't take that. Definitely can't take that. ES is doing the same thing. Wow, ES didn't close above the. So ES, remember how ES did the 4 minute fair value gap as well? The second one, it didn't close. It didn't trade above these 1 minute highs. So what I could have done was on NQ, move my stop loss to keep moving it up and to see if price came up to these highs, but it never did, bro. Oh man. So yeah, I'll enter again, guys, and I'll explain to you guys why we entered as well. So I'm gonna pause the video here, not have you guys wait, and I'll be right back. We are in profits. My light is hating. Okay, so same shit, different toilet. We got a 1 minute fair value gap that got mitigated right here. Intermediate term highs broke out, created another 1 minute fair value gap, broke structure here, stop loss above these highs. On ES, same thing. ES tapped into the 1 minute fair value gap, so we should not come up to these highs right here. And we're still breaking structure to the downside, which is a good sign. My light is hating on me, but I'm going for a 1 to 3 because these are 4-hour lows. Let me see what a 1 to 2 is. 1 to 2 is up here. But yeah, guys, I should not see price trade up into this fair value gap again. if we are correct. If we're not, we're not. We lose a trade. But if we are, we are, you know, and I will step away from the computer. I'm going to put an alert like right here. That'll tell me that we're approaching our highs. This is another fair value gap that was created. 1 minute fair value gap. Oh wow, I got stopped out. Oh my gosh. Two L's today, man. Oh my god, that sucks, bro. It is what it is. We back tomorrow. I don't know. Yo no say. I really don't know, man. Took two L's today. It sucks, but it's all part of the game. What could I have done better? I mean, this is my edge, so I followed it. I'm not too sure what I could have looked for, but see, a 5 minute fair value gap is up here, but yeah, guys, it's all part of the game, man. You know, you win some, you lose some. Yesterday we had a great day, but it's all a part of the game, man. You know, you can't expect to win every single trade, and I'm fine with that. We have the rest of the week to trade. President Trump, man, hate this guy, but yeah, because we were bearish today. We tapped into a 1 hour fair value gap on both pairs, on ES and NQ. The 1 hour fair value gap is here. We took out 30-minute highs on NQ. On ES, we didn't, but that's okay. The 1 minute after we took out those highs, we started displacing to the downside on NQ, respecting fair value gaps. And this is where I got stopped out on the other trade. But yeah, man, it is what it is. It is what it is. I'm not gonna try to dwell on it because things happen in the market that you cannot control. But I do believe that we are gonna push to the downside by the end of the day. But yeah, man, 2 losses. That means that, so this is the account that was close to getting funded. We lost $413 on it today. And the other account that we took the trade off of, wait, they're both, oh my God, they're both around the same amount. So this is the account that I'm going to have to trade on tomorrow, because based on my rules is whenever I lose on the account, I go to the other account. So I trade and trade and trade until I lose. And no matter how close I am to getting funded, if I lose, I go to the other account, no matter how small the loss is. So this is the account that we're trading on tomorrow. But it really doesn't matter because both accounts are pretty much at the same balance. But yeah, guys, I'll be here tomorrow. It sucks. It is what it is. It's part of the game. And he who lives and runs away lives to trade another day. It is what it is. Today is Tuesday. We have 3 more trading days out the week. A lot can happen. A lot can definitely happen. But with that being said, you guys have a great day. I'm off this. I'm not gonna revenge trade. Take care.